What is up, YouTube and Outcome Reach family? We are back with another video today. And first thing I want to say before we get started is I hope everyone is having an amazing day today so far. And let's get right into it. So in today's video, we are going to go over a recap of a trade that I took today on USD peso. Very simple. Just to break something down for you guys. You guys know I like to keep it super simple, as you should too. So simplicity at its best. Market structure, we create higher highs and higher lows, right? This will be your indication of an uptrend, and then we would create lower lows and lower highs. This is your indication of a downtrend. So looking at the peso today, let's go to the before setup. So what I saw today was Tuesday right here. We created, the market created this spike up in the market right here. And then we saw the high of the day, this M formation pattern, and then the market traded back down immediately. Now, um, you know, one thing I always like to say is structure will retest structure. Maybe not right away, maybe it could take a month, a week, a day, an hour, a whole year even, right, to retest an area of structure that was broken. But ultimately, structure will retest structure, and market structure is king, and also market structure is the most simplest way of looking at the market. So we saw price trade down below this low, right? Breaking this piece of structure right here. And what I saw was when the market was trading back up into this area right here, I was expecting a nice rejection to the downside. And now if this is the before setup, so now we can go look at it on the chart. Now, you can see we got a nice rejection to the downside. First take profit was at, first take profit was at these lows right here. And this went about 100 pips, and this is currently floating around 70 pips right now. I also had a re-entry on this position that went about 40 pips or so. But once again, guys, lower low, lower high, break structure, lower low, lower high, break structure, lower low, lower high, and so on, right? Very simple. So what I saw at this point of interest up here, or where where the market had retested that area of structure to the left, I saw this M formation, and then the market had broken this area of structure right here. Now it did not, let me draw that better. It did not get back up all the way up here. So what happened? We see this low point right here, and then a lower high, and then the market had broken through this structure here and retested for a nice entry for another sell opportunity in this area right here. Now, if you are in the Discord, in the Outcome Reach Discord, you will know that I posted my my trade. So if you are in the Discord, you already know that I did take this trade and I did profit off of it. It's a very nice trade, very good risk to reward, and simplicity at its best, trading in line with market structure always. So that is my recap on the peso. If you guys like this video, if you learned anything from this video, give me a like and subscribe and comment down below of what you possibly learned or had an insight in this video. But until next time, I hope you guys continue to have a good rest of your day. Let's keep winning. Let's keep growing. And I will catch you guys all in the next video. Peace out.